To use the home balance mode of the Neo, we need to install the CT current transformer. The Neo series comes with a set of pre-connected CT clamp and CT adapter, which is everything you need for single-phase CT clamp installation for home balance mode. And for 3-phase grid network, it's recommended to use 3 CT clamps to monitor all 3 phases. The CT clamps are typically installed upstream or downstream of the main circuit breaker or of main meter in the distribution unit. First we are going to wire the cable between the CT clamp and the wall box. Use Cat5 or higher cable for the CT wiring. Now let's see how to install the CT. We need to connect the other 2 CT clamps and the adapter together. There are clear wiring instructions on the adapter and the wiring sequence in the CT quick guide. The terminal corresponding to CT1, CT2, and CT3. We connect the twisted pair cables of the CT clamps to their corresponding terminals, ensuring that the cable red and black match the color on the label. After connected to the terminal block of the adapter, let's see how to install the CT clamp. Before installation, we need to identify the 3-phase wires, L1, L2, and L3. Position the CT clamp that connect to the CT1 terminal of the adapter to L1, firmly clamp it onto the L1 with both hands until we hear a click. Repeat the same for L2 and L3. Final step, clip the RJ45 connector on the CT adapter and wall box. To complete the CT installation,